important for nonprofits or any organization to have an AI policy to take how AI is being used, what types of services you use it for, how is it being screened. And so I'll give you a couple examples. Yes, AI, there are a lot of free versions out there. In order to use, for nonprofits who want to use it for their work, they need to have a commercial license. If you use it without commercial license, or if you use it for a free license, a lot of the data you collect is used by AI for their machine learning, which means the data you're giving them they're now using. So that could be in violation of your privacy policy. It's probably not a best practice. Most organizations I know, when they're working with an AI provider, want to have a commercial license that allows them to use the AI, leverage the platform, but does not allow the AI to use the data they input into it for machine learning and to share with in their database and their algorithm. So that's really important. Practical piece is if you're using AI, if people using a home version without a commercial license, it's probably copyright infringement. Any organization using AI should have an AI policy, should tell people which ones are approved to use. They should have there's commercial license with at least one major provider, and then really let people know what kind of data should be inputted and how it should be protected.
With a commercial license, the AI technology you're saying, are they essentially putting a fence around any data that you input into the AI, and they're just still pulling information from the outside in to benefit the organization? Is that what a commercial license does?
Yeah, exactly. So if I go on Perplexity now, just my kind of free, 3 times a day, I can ask a question. Anything I ask, anything I put in there, they can take. They can use it. Yeah. If I had a commercial license, they wouldn't be able to do that. So nonprofits are using it sometimes to write a blog or do a PR piece. That's fine, but if you use it without an unpaid license to create a blog and you post it, that's technically could be copyright infringement.
Meaning if they take someone else's information that the AI has access to?
Yeah. So it's wise for any use in a nonprofit. Make sure you vetted. There are a lot of them out there. You vetted which ones are approved vendors to work with the organization. You have rules around the do's and don'ts. So, for example, like if you're using it to create a blog or a PR piece, check the facts. Make sure sometimes AI has hallucinations. They say things that aren't true. Sometimes they could take something with verbatim from somewhere else. That could be copyright infringement. So you need to do a little due diligence. Those things should be built into an organization's AI policy.